Mi novia y yo nos hemos hecho una escapada de 2 días por Lisboa. Aquí tenéis un vídeo corto sobre el viaje. Nos vemos la semana que viene con más contenido motero. Un saludo.
Why the hell do I work so hard? I can't worry about my problems. I can't take them when I'm gone. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
Yeah, I saw you dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with
Por Dios. Qué gordo que soy. Esto es para los miembros.